Hey my peeps, let's make some cute and easy mini watermelon shakes. So for this you're going to need some spackle in 3 different colors: green, light green, and pink. I'm sorry for being off camera. I don't know what I was doing. I started on camera, then I went off camera, and I really apologize for that. The life of a content creator. But I eventually bring it in. But anyway, so you're going to take that dark green, and that's going to be the bottom of your milkshake, and you just go around and fill it up. Not fill it up, you actually just smearing the spackle against the cup. You don't want to fill up the cup. You don't want to waste all your spackle filling up the cup. This is just an illusion. So you just fill up the sides to make it look like it's full, but it's really not full. Okay, now you could clean up, like when you put in your craft stick in there, some of it might get up at the top. Just get a wet wipe and wipe it off. So then the next color is going to be the light green, which is just a touch of green and white spackle. Okay, now you kind of want to smear it into the dark green, like you want it to blend. Okay, so the reason why I like doing the shakes and stuff like this, because it's easy and anybody can do it. You know, you don't have to be perfect. The lines don't have to be perfect. And each shake is not going to look the same. They're all going to be different. And, I mean, anybody can make it. It's pretty easy, okay? It's foolproof. You make it look the way you want it to look. You smear the spackle how you want it to smear it, okay? So, again, I'm going in there and I'm cleaning up a little bit of the green spackle that got up at the top. So now I'm going to come in with my pink. Now this pink, it can be any color pink. This pink I use here is called fuchsia, but you can use any color that you have. You don't have to go by, because I know a lot of you guys are always asking me, oh, what color did you use, this and that. Honestly, I use whatever color I have. Whatever pink color I have, that's the color I use. I don't like try to go like buy anything that I don't have to buy. Use what you have at home, okay? Don't get too specific, because sometimes I get like that, and you know what happens? I get discouraged, and then I don't want to do anything. So just use what you have, okay? So just smear it in there. Make sure you blend it a little bit with the green that's you put it underneath that one, and clean off the rim of your glass, okay? So now I'm going to put a piece of a wood skewer inside the cup. I'm going to throw some glue down there, let that glue hit the bottom, and I'm just going to take the skewer and I'm going to position it in there, because that's what's going to hold up my little piece of cardboard. Now you can see I didn't let the glue dry because it was falling over, but that's okay. Just touch it, tap it. All you need is for it to hold up that piece of cardboard right there, okay? Then you're going to go get you some more pink, and you're just going to smear it and fill in to cover up the cardboard. That's all you're doing, okay? You're going to cover up that cardboard because you don't want nobody to see that. And just make it look like you filled up the cup, but you really didn't. And people ask me, do you need to let it dry? You can let it dry before you put on the cardboard, but I don't. But you can, and it's perfectly fine, and come back and do the rest of the steps, okay? So then you're going to just swirl a bit more of that pink on top. And I got one of those big watermelon sprinkles, and I got this piece of watermelon straw somebody sent me. Some fruit straws, and watermelon was in there. So then I went and I got me a couple of seeds that I made with clay, and I stuck those in there. And you can put as many as you want. I kind of I started with 3, but then I just added one more, so I got like 4 of them in there. And then I'm going to sprinkle some glitter on there, because why not? So that's it, guys. Look how cute. Look how cute those came out. Okay? Go make you some for your watermelon tier tray. Talk to you later. Bye.